Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am MK. So in this video, I will discuss about option Techno-Chain indicator that I recently coded. So let's start. So basically, what you need to do is to first of all to get access. I give you the link in the video description if you don't have access. So just go to this link and put your ID like everyone has done here, and then I'll just copy and give you the access. All right, just put a comment here. Then what you need to do is you need to go to indicators and you will see indicators in invite only script from me. It will show as log, but if once I've given you the access, you will be able to see if I've given you any access to one of the private scripts or not. Then you just have to select here. It will come like this over here, and let me first show you the inputs. For example, first thing is you have to select this expiry date, and this date right now is in past. So we need to select the current expiry or a future expiry. So for example, let's select fourth for Nifty, and third is for Bank Nifty. So you don't have to change the time 3:30. Let it be expiry time. Instrument Nifty or Bank Nifty you can select from here. You have to select the spot. Strike interval is something, for example, for Nifty it is 50, Bank Nifty it is 100, HDFC Bank a stock it is 10, and so on. You need to put. Even though Nifty is 50 strike interval, but if you want to see the information by 100 difference, right, by round numbers, you can do that. For example, for Bank Nifty, you can even see with a 500 step techno chain. All right. So here, let's say, I mean, what if I change it to 50, you will see this changes to 50, the middle row for strike, meaning each and every 50 interval strike will come here. Then you need to enter the price for uh, where the current spot is, or where is the ATM strike. Let's say for Nifty it is 22,200, or let's say 300 right now. Uh, then you can say okay. Let's just change the chart from Bank Nifty to Nifty as well. So what you see is spot is around 326, and that's where this option chain is ready. So at the top, it will tell you what instrument it is showing it for. It works for index only Nifty, Bank Nifty, not for Fin Nifty, because that's there is a different spot there like CNX Fin Nifty, but not an same symbol for the symbols for options in TradingView. Hence, it will work for only Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all of the stocks, Reliance, HDFC, Maruti, whichever you want to, as long as data is there in on TradingView. Then it will tell you what expiry it is showing the information for, what is the spot price, future price, and the prevailing India VIX, right? That it will show. And then for each and every strike, right now we are on daily, so it is showing you the change percentage for daily, meaning from the previous day to this day. If let's say we switch to 1 hour, then it will tell you the percentage change of the premium for the last 1 hour, right? You can see 2%. Any some strike had an increase for little bit premium, some had decreased, and so on. You see the premium LTP is the premium column. What is the value in change in 1 hour of the premium? Let's say 22,300. It went down by 2.6 rupee premium, right? And this one gave up value for this is an in the money call. It gave value for 13 rupees premium, 21,950 example. 21,900 gave up 10 rupees in the last 1 hour. Whereas the similar put, it also gave value. Although this is, if you would have sold 21,900 straddle in the last 1 hour, then you would have gained 10 plus 1.9, around 12 rupees premium you would have gained, because of some theta decay happening towards the end of the last trading session. All right. So you see the premium, the change in premium, the percentage change in the premium. This is as per the time frame we select. Then what you see is EMA. This is EMA 5, and this is for call. For example, it is in red because let's say 22 400. It is at trading at 114, and 114 is below the EMA, right? The 5 EMA, hence it is in red, meaning on an hourly basis for last 5 hours, the premium has been going down because it is below the exponential moving average. Hence, it is in red, meaning this side the sellers are active on the call side because on Thursday expiry day, last hour the market came down. It after the rally in the most of the part of the day. Last hour was kind of a profit booking we observe. Then this is EMA. Same thing you see on the put side. Same rules apply. Same color formatting apply. Then you see the VWAP. This is the intraday VWAP, the normal indicator that we put for intraday charts. If the stock is below the VWAP, it will be in red. If the stock is above the VWAP, it will be in green, right? So very clear cut trend indication also you get for the options, and not just for one strike but for multiple strikes. It gives you an indication where the options premiums are moving towards, where the flow is right now or the momentum is right now. Then we see RSI. This is as per hourly hour RSI for each and every strike. If you change it to 15 minutes, let's say, let's just change it. So you see at 15 minutes what is the RSI, and 15 minutes RSI is on the bear side on the call side, and is on the slightly bull side to neutral on the put side, right? So you can also uh, do a bar replay, but you have to do on 30 minutes and above. So go here if you want to test for any let's say Nifty 22 300. We want to test it for the current expiry that is coming, a call option. So this is the chart for the 22 300 call option. It is right now trading at 168. So if you want to just test it, bar replay and how the indicator is working, so you'll just go somewhere back in time, right? All of this will get updated, and then you just have to say what speed you want to do it, and then just say next. You will see the just keep an eye here. This will dynamically keep on changing. You can see as the this red candle, the call side is in red, right? So if it goes up, if it starts to go up, the call side will be on green, and then it goes red. I think this is the next day market open, and then some recovery, and then it went up. I mean, this is on 30 minutes, but on real time, when you are trading on a 3 or 5 minute intraday, you'll see much more fast changes. So just I'll just finish it off doing the bar replay. That it shows like mostly it is in bull, and then last few minutes it profit booking came. The next day, call side down on 26th, and just finish it off. So Uh, so you can see it is working very well. All the values are updating as per the premium that was there at that point of time. So it also gives you an help in back testing anything that you did. So this was the expiry day where it went up huge. Bull market was there in the first half, and you can see it's mostly on the green side, on a 30-minute time frame. I'll just finish it off, and then last hour was a profit booking, so it shows you in red. So just wanted to show you what this indicator is, how you can take help from it. That I leave it up to you. This is for information purpose. and these are the inputs. You just need to select expiry date, what interval you want to see. Let's say let's do it for a stock. Let's say HDFC Bank. Strike interval is 10 for HDFC Bank, and it will be monthly expiry now. Monthly expiry will Thursday, last Thursday, which is 25th. And I don't know what's the spot, but let's just put ATM price as 1450 and say okay. And let's just say the HDFC Bank here to see the spot as well. It's around 1447. So you see, for stock as well, any stocks, you can now very quickly see all the option chain plus the technical side of or each and every strike. Plus you can do back testing or bar replaying as well. So I hope you liked it. It's absolutely free. You just have to comment here if you want to get the link. Just put a comment here. I've given access already to a lot of people, and the feedback is really good. And look forward for more creative stuff in coming days. I hope you like the effort. If you liked so, just feel free to leave any feedback comment in the video section and hit the like button. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.